Good morning guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adedapo Michael Sunday, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can create a website that you can log a website content. Now, why do you need to learn how to log a website content or how to restrict your content to everybody? Why? Now, one of the reasons why you need to do that is probably if you have some sensitive information on your website, you can actually lock it for a group of people. And at the same time, if you want to make money, maybe for example your website give an information that can actually help people to achieve some certain things, or that it has some pro information, and you can actually turn it to money. And that is another way to make money as a web designer or as a business owner who know that his business is providing valuable information or a valuable things to people, so you can actually monetize it. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can lock your website content or restrict your website content, and at the same time how you can allow people to register and make a payment before they can see some certain things from your website. So in this video I will encourage you guys to watch to the end, because you don't want to miss any of these particular stages, and I'm going to be walking you step by step. So guys, sit tight and take your jotter and follow me step by step. Now let me show you what I mean. Now this is the website I want to use, and let me just copy it and open it in a new incognito, and let me just paste it here. Let me enter and let's wait for it to load. Now can you see, now this website has actually been loaded. Now if I want, I can actually see the home page, normal stuff where people can see. But let us assume I want to see this particular place. Now I will click on this particular about us. I want to see something there, so it will take me to where I can make a payment first. Can you see? Kindly use this payment form to pay your registration fee, and after the payment you will be redirected to a registration page for appropriate registration. Now let us I just register. Actually this is a demo test. This is a testing mode, so there's no need of 1000 my number. Let me just put it here and let me click on register. So it's going to take me to where I can make the payment, and immediately I make the payment, it's going to redirect me back to where I can now create a my account and log into the website. So let's just wait for it. Now can you see this is the payment? Now because this is a test mode, so I'll put it in the test mode, so I'll just click on this and I'll click on pay now. So immediately I pay now. Can you see my payment is successful? So it will now redirect me now to where I can now register, so I can now fully register and log into the website. Can you see? Now that takes me to where I can log in. If I have logged in, if I have created an account before, I will log in. But if I have not created an account, I will click on register. If you want to click on register, this is it, and it will take you to register and log into your website. Can you see username, and you just put everything there and you will log into your website. But if you have actually created an account, I've actually created an account before, so I don't need to create another account again. So if you have actually created an account, all you need to do is just to click on login. And so when I click on login, it's going to take me to where I can log in, and I'll come here and type my login details. And I'll click me sign in, and I click on login. Now by the time I log in, now this is my dashboard. So when I click on this particular place, now I can actually be able to see it. Now can you see? I can see everything there. Now actually this thing is very, very good, because some affiliate marketer usually used to do this thing just to make money. Then I can see all these places I can't see before. I can actually see them free of charge now. So guys, I'm going to show you step by step on how to go about it. And if you want to do this kind of thing, what are the things you need? You only need two plugins. The first plugin is Ultimate Member. Let me show you. Now this is the first plugin, which is Ultimate Member. That is the plugin we'll be using to do what? To restrict some content on our website. While this Pay Start payment form is the payment form that we use to do what? To integrate it, to link it up to this particular ultimate member. Now initially when I learned this thing from my boss, I was only taught how to restrict some content, but I noticed that there was a time that a client called me and told me that he wants me to help him to design a website, and he wants people to be able to make a payment before they can see the content of the website. But because I didn't know how to do it, I lose the client. It was few days ago I learned it from one of my boss outside the country. So, and when he taught me, he only taught me how, he only teach me how to, how to restrict some content. But it was when I was now thinking that, okay, if I want to integrate it, that was when I come across with this idea of, okay, let me use paste tag and redirect. And so I'm going to show you everything in this video. So guys, I know you are expecting this thing. So guys, let's go to the work without wasting much of your time. And please, if you are just watching my YouTube video for the first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button. I will appreciate that. So let's go back to what we want to do without wasting much of time. So I'll come back to this place. So this is the website I want to use. This is the website, and let us say I want to restrict this particular place, and I want to restrict this particular place. So what do I need to do first? Let's go to the dashboard, and let's go to the okay, we even have this previous tag. Okay, let's go to what is it called, plugin, and click on add new. So when you click on add new, it's going to take you to this place, and come to this place and search for ultimate member. Ultimate member, this is it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Now click on install now, and wait for it to install. So as you know, in WordPress, anytime you install anything, you need to activate it. So you need to click on activate. So I'll click on activate now. So you will wait for it to activate. So when this plugin activate, you will see a pop-up that will pop up and said ultimate member need to create several pages. These are the pages that ultimate member need to create. So all you need to do is just to click on these create pages. Make sure please notice this, when you install ultimate member, there will be a pop-up, and this is the pop-up you are seeing here, that tell you that, okay, this particular plugin need to create several pages. So all you need to do is to click on create pages. So I'm going to click on create pages now. So when I click on create pages, the plugin is going to create all the pages I need for me. Can you see now? It has created everything for me. Now, since the plugin has created everything for me, the first thing I need to do is to come and add the login and the account to this menu. So I'm going to come back to this place, and I'm going to go to menu appearance, go to my menu, and when I come to my menu, I'm going to click on scroll down, and I'm going to click on account, logout, register, login. These are the 4 things I want to add to my menu. I'll click on add to menu. Now I will not do some certain settings, so just follow me. The first thing is that account, who can see my account? I will click on this drop down. When I click on this drop down, it's going to come here and say who can see this menu link. I don't want everybody, I want people who actually log in. Can you see? It's only people who log in that I want you to see this thing. For example, now you notice, if I show you something there, you notice that it is when I log in, that's when I see account and log out. So that is the same thing I want to do. Only people who can log in user, and I will click subscriber. That reminds me, there's a particular setting we need to do, but we'll do that later. So after I click subscriber, I will close it here, and I will click on this place again, log out. Who can see log out? I want not everyone, I want only login user. So only login user can see my logout, and I'll click subscriber. So I'll close it again. Register, who can see register? Only those people who are logout user. So those are the people that can see this register button. I will click on login again. Who can see it? Only people who are logout, who want to log in, and they are subscriber. Hope you see. After finishing all this thing, I'm going to click on save menu. Can you see it? Click on save menu. Now after you have saved your, okay, click on save menu. So after you save your menu, for people to register on your website, there must be a particular setting you need to do on your website. And what is the setting? The setting is that you must tell your WordPress website that this website, that you want to allow people to register. So because there's a particular place in WordPress whereby you need to do a setting, and the setting is to allow people to register. So let's go there. So just scroll down to your setting. Now scroll down to the setting. Can you see setting and click on general? Can you see general? So when you click on general, it's going to load it to you, and you need to just scroll down. Can you see membership? Click on allow, anyone can register, so click on it. So when you click on it, you just scroll down and click on save changes. Can you see it? Save changes. So when you click on save changes now, then we are done. So if you come here and check our website and we refresh, you will see that we will see like log out an account here. Why? Because we have actually, can you see log account, log out, login. Login should not be here. It is log out. Let me go to setting back again. Sorry. Let me go appearance, menu, login, login, log out user. That's it. I know there's a mistake. Only log out user should be able to see. So I will come back here again. I will refresh. So these are the two things that will be here now. Can you see now? These are the only two things now, because I have actually logged in. So these are the only two things now. Now I have done this. Now I look at me. I want to install in I want to actually restrict people from seeing my about us page, my services page, my portfolio page. This 3 page, I don't want people to see it. Yours might be blog, yours might be anything. I don't care. Whatever thing you don't want people to see, all you need to do is that if I don't want people to see all these 3 pages, then I need to go and restrict them. So I'm going to come to my menu, to my dashboard rather. So when I come to my dashboard, I'm going to go to all the page. Now, if your own is blog, if your own is blog, just go to the blog and do the same procedure, the same process I do in this page. That is the same thing you should do. So I'm going to click on pages and all pages. Can you see? So when I click on all pages, it will take me to all the pages. Now the 3 pages I don't want to see, I don't want people to be able to see is my about us, my about us, my portfolio, and my services page. Those are the 3 pages. So let's start now. Let me show you what you need to do. Now all you need to do is to click on about us, click on this edit. Can you see? Click on the edit. Now immediately you click on the edit page, it's going to show you. So let's wait for it to load. Now immediately this particular thing load, all you need to do is to scroll down. Can you see? Restrict access to this post. Just click on tick. Now immediately you tick it, there is going to be a drop down again. Scroll down. Now who can access this post? Now this is a question. Now who can access this particular about us page? Now we want to do it in such a way that only people who log in will be able to access this particular page. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on this drop down and I'm going to click on login user. Can you see? Login user. Now I'm going to scroll down again. Now it's going to ask me to click on the one I want. I'm going to click on select which row can access this post. Click on this, click on this, click on this. Let me just click on contributor, subscriber, author. You can click on all these 5 if you like. Now after that, it's going to show what happens when users without access try to view it, which means if someone without access is trying to view this thing, what will show? It is going to show the access stuff. Now if you click on show access message, what it will do is that when people click on it, it's going to tell them that, oh sorry, you need to register. But what I wanted to do is that I want when people click on it to redirect them to a particular place called to redirect them to a particular place where they can make their payment before they can log in. But let me just take it step by step so that you can see what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to leave it like this. Restrict access message. You can just show custom. If you want to custom message, if you want to use that one, you can just use default message and click on update. And let me go back now. Now let me copy the link of this website and open in a new tab. Let us assume I'm a user, Ctrl C. I want to come to this website. Let me open a tab here and let me paste it. Now when I come to this website now and I feel like, wow, they have a very good content here. Can you see restricted content? Can you see this is what it's showing? I will show you how you can delete this one so that you will not be showing all this thing. So to delete this restricted content, you can just come to just go back and go to your dash pages and go to your ultimate member. Can you see? Go to your settings. When you come to your setting, now go to your assets. Can you see? Now can you see now? Replace the restricted post title. If you want, now you know here we have about here, but when you look at here, what is showing here is restricted content. Then all you need to do, if you want to just replace it, because restricted content will not really make sense, and if you want to leave it like that, fine. If you don't want to leave it like that, if you want to change it to the normal thing that is there, then you can just come here and come to your settings and untick this place. Immediately you untick this place, just scroll down and click on save changes. Now if I come back to this my this place and I refresh, control, can you see it has come back to about us. Now let us assume I'm a user, I'm your customer, and I'm a customer and I'm coming to this website for the first time, and I say, wow, they have something like this about us there, let me just check it out, and I click on it. It's going to tell me to create an account. Oh, sorry, what is showing? Okay, so let me check let's go back and check our dashboard, and let me page all pages and click on about yeah, and I scroll down, show access message. Oh, sorry, click on redirect user. I'm very sorry, you need to click on what happened when user without access try to view the thing. Click on redirect user. So when you click on redirect user, it's going to redirect them to login page. Yeah, so I'm very sorry, I made a mistake. So click on update. So redirect user, and when you click on redirect, it's going to automatically select the page it's going to redirect them to, which is login page. So let's go back to this page and come here, and let's go back to our home page. Now let's start. I now want to click on about us. Now you notice that it will redirect me to where I can log in. Can you see? I should log in, or probably I should create an account. If I don't have a login, then I need to create an account. Can you see like that? Now, but what I want to do is that if we do it like this, after I create an account and I log in, sorry, I'll be able to see the web content, but I don't want it in such a way like that. I want it in such a way that people must make a payment before they will have access to come and create an account, because I think that is the best before they can see it. Because if they register now, they'll be able to see it. Now let us me I want to register now. Let me register so you can see what I'm trying to talk about. So let me just type my name or username Michael. First name Adedapo Michael. Email, let me use this. Password, yeah, register. Oh, sorry, something is wrong. deletingtraining@gmail.com. Now I've registered now. So if I want to add my image or stuff like that, I can just do, but that's not my concern. All I want to see, I want to see, maybe I can see the about now. Can you see now? This is the about us page now that I am able to have access to now. Can you see now? Now, apart from this now, and like I said earlier, I said I want to do it in such a way that I want to do it for this 3D particular one, but I want to do it that before people can have access to this thing, they must make a payment. Now, then let's go and do it then. All you need to do, let me log out. So now let me now go back to my dashboard here. Let me go back to my dashboard. Now the first thing I need to do now is that we have got it to a place where we'll be needing the second plugin, which is Paystack payment form. I'm going to show you Paystack payment form, and this is it. I've actually installed it on the site earlier, but I'm going to show you. Let me come to your plugin and click on add new, and just type Paystack payment. Now Paystack payment form. Okay, Paystack payment, no, Paystack form rather. Now just wait for it to. Now can you see? Just click on Paystack form, payment form for Paystack. This is it, please. This is it, payment form for Paystack. Once it's clear, just click on install and click on activate. So once you activate it, you will see it here, and once you see it here, just click on add new, so that you can come and create a payment form. So once you click on add new, it's going to ask you what is the title of the payment form you need. Just click on registration fees. Sorry, I think I'm getting. Can you see registration fee? I'm going to ask you what are the, just leave all this for default. Now let us mean the amount you want to be collected. This is where you're going to put it. So I'm just going to put 1,000 naira, and I'm going to scroll down. Do you want the payment? What is the button? I'll just click on. I will change this button from pay to register. So what else do I want to do? Now this is what I want to do now. It's going to ask me for redirect. Okay, when people make their payment, what should be the next action? So I'm going to say, okay, no problem. When people make their payment, that this thing should redirect them to where they can create account or login. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to come to this place, come to this my old one, and I'm going to click on this place, because this particular place is I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, it will take me to a login page. Can you see this is a login page? So I'm just going to copy, either I copy this link, or I come here and I copy this link. Copy this login link. Can you see this login link? Or you copy all this thing. But this thing might look somehow to you. That's why I said you copy this login link. And I'm going to come back to this place and come here and paste the link here. Redirect payment link. And I'm going to paste it here. Nearly I paste it here, I'm going to click on save changes. Everything is okay now. I'm going to scroll up and click on publish rather. Can you see publish? So when you click on publish, that means it's going to create a short code for you. This is the short code. So I'm going to copy all this short code and copy it. Now another thing you need to do is that because I have actually installed this payment form on this site, and I've actually set it up, so you might not be, in your own case I may not get issue now, but in your case you might actually have a little issue, because you are just installing it and you need to set it up. Now how do you now set it up? You come to setting, click on setting. Now can you see this secret key test and live key test? All you need to do is that you must have a Paystack account and come to your Paystack here. When you come to your Paystack here, this is where you can copy your Paystack developer key, copy it and come and paste it there. Let me show you the key you need to copy. So let's wait for it to load. Now this is your live secret key and live publish key. Now copy this live secret key. When you copy it, come to this place, paste it in live secret key. Come back to this place again. live public key, copy it, come back here again, paste it here, live public key. Can you see? Now test secret key, this is it. Your test secret key, just scroll down. Your test secret key, this is it. Copy it. Once you copy it, come to this place and paste your test, paste it here. Now test public key, come to this place, copy it, test public key. When you copy it, you come back here and you paste it. Once you are done with this, scroll down and click on save changes. Now if you want to test what you have done, maybe it is working fine, you can first put it in test mode. So when you put it in test mode, so because you want to test it first, so you click on save changes. Now when you are done with it, now then you know, don't forget you have copied a particular form link. Now I believe you all know how you can get your stuff here. If you want to get your this test secret key, when you log into your page stack, just come to this particular place. When you click on it, it's going to show, just come here, or no, sorry, come to setting here. When you click on setting, it's going to show you all these things. It's going to show your profile. Just move to this place, and this is where you can copy. When you click on API key, it's going to show you all these things. I hope you get it like that. So now let's go back to what we are doing. Setting. Don't forget that we have created a payment form. Let me show you the payment form that we just created. Let me click on all form, and this is the payment form, registration form, and this is the short code. Just click on it and copy it. Now you will now go back and go and create a new page. A new page. I'm going to click on add new page, and I'll be calling the name of the page registration. Now I will paste the short code here. Once I paste the short code here, I don't want this registration, I don't want it to show. I will click on I will hide it, disable title, I will disable it, and I will click on publish. Immediately it's published. Now I can view this page in a new tab. Can you see now that this is our page now? So all I need to do now is just, now I want to do it in such a way that when people click on this about us, it will take them to where they can make a payment, and when they now make their payment, it will now take them to where they can now log in and go and create their account. So all is done. But I want to put a notice here so that the notice will be like an instruction. So let me copy what I post in this guy's site. Let me come to this guy's site. Let me click on about. Oh, I put a particular, let me log out please. Now this is the notice I put here. Kindly use this payment form to make your payment. So once you make your payment, it will redirect you to where you can fill your page. So the reason why I want to put this notice there, so that when people make their payment, they will be aware that no, there's still another place for them to go and do what, to go and complete their registration. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on edit with element, edit page. This registration page that we just created, so I want to edit it. This is the page, so I will click on edit with Elementor. So when I click on edit with Elementor, I would like to use Elementor to put the instruction there so that people will be aware that, so when I'm making a payment in this site, after I make my payment, I will be redirected to a place where I can do my proper registration. So all I need to do is just to drag this heading. That is the only thing I'm going to be doing here. Drag this heading and paste it this here. This is too long, so I'm going to come to style, and I'm going to come to typography. I'm going to reduce the size to just simple size. Yeah, 20. So the information is kindly use this payment form to pay your registration fee. After the payment, you'll be redirected to a registration page for appropriate registration. So people know now that okay, when they make their payment here, it's going to redirect them to where they can go and create their account. I don't know if you are getting it like that. So I'm going to click on update. When I click on update, I'm going to close this out. Close it. So when I close it, all I need to do is I need to come to this particular admin. Let me come to my dashboard rather. Now I will copy this registration link, the page I just created, which is registration page. Can you see this is the page? I will copy the link. Okay, let me view. I want to view the link. Now this is I will copy the link. I need the link. In your own case, please try to copy it or try to follow my step, please. So I've copied the link. I'll go back to my dashboard. Now I will go and restrict all those content I want to restrict. I'll go to the page, all pages. Don't forget, we want to restrict this page, this page, this page. Now when people click on any of these 1, 2, 3, it should be taking them to where they can register. So I'm going to come to this page. The first page is about us. I'll click on edit. If your own is blog, the same thing you will do for pages is the same thing you will do for blog. You can restrict a particular blog, you can restrict a particular blog category, anyhow you want it. So you scroll down. Don't forget we have done all these settings. So when you scroll down, you redirect user. Yeah, you want to redirect user. Can you see it? Now where do you want to redirect user to? You want to, before it was on login, whereby when people click on this about us, let me show you here. When people click on this about us, it's going to take them to where they can log in. But I've changed it. I want to change it now to, I want it to take them to where they can now register. Now if we click on about us now, okay, it's already in here. Okay, it's already here. So registration. Okay, let me go back here and just finish what I'm doing. Now where is it? At this page. Now when you click on about us, it's going to take you to login pages. Now but I want to do it in such a way that it will be customized URL. Now I'll put the where I want it to redirect them to. So can you see? Now when anybody click on this about us like this, it will take them to a URL where they can register. Now when anybody click on this about us like this, this is the site we are using. Initially when you click on it, it's taking you to login now, but I want you to take you to where you can make a payment. So I'm going to come back here, and this is the link. I'll put the link here and I'll click on update. And I will update it. I will go back again. I'll go and do the same thing for these other pages I want to do. The other pages is portfolio. My portfolio, I'll click on edit. And don't forget, I said if your own is a blog, if you want to restrict a particular blog, you can just do the same thing. Open the blog, click on edit. So when you click on edit of on the blog, scroll down, you will see this thing. Restrict access to this post. Just click on it. When you click on it, there will be a drop down. Just scroll down. Who can access this post? Change it to login user. So when you change it to login user, you see a drop down again, and just tick all this. When you tick them, scroll down again. Show access restricted message. No, I want you to redirect user. So where do you want to redirect it to? When you click on redirect user, automatically to redirect them to a login page. But we are an integrated payment. Now, if you are not using payment, if you don't want payment, you don't need to redirect them to. You just leave this one as a hit. But because we want to redirect people to where they can make a payment before they can come back to this place, so I'm going to change this login page to customize URL, and I'm going to scroll down to paste the URL of where I want to redirect them to. And don't forget, we have automate our payment in such a way that when people make their payment, it will redirect them to the login page. So that is how it is. So After that again, we need to click on update. And I think let me do the same thing for the third page, which is my services. Yeah, I don't want people to see my services, so I'm going to scroll down again to my services, and I'll do the same thing again, and I'll scroll down and I'll click on this, and it's going to be give me a drop down, and I'm going to click on login, only login. Make sure you don't forget to, it is only login user. So I'm going to click on all this. Show restricted message, no, redirect user. And now where do I want to redirect them to? I want you to redirect to a particular custom URL, and I'll paste it here. So when I paste it here, I'm going to click on update. Now I have restricted all this 3D content. Now that when anybody click on all this 1, 2, 3, it will be taking them to a new place. But because me, I have login, so if I click on it, I will be able to see it because I have actually logged in. So, but let's see what we have. Let's refresh this particular page. Let's come to home page, and let us know I want to click on my about us now. Can you see it's taking me to where I can make a payment? Let me go back to home again. I want to click on our service now, this one. So it's taking me to where I can make a payment. Okay, let us me now make the payment. Let me make the payment. Let me put my name here, my email here, 1000, my phone number if I want, and let me click on register. Now after it's registered, it's going to take me, bring a pop-up to me. But don't forget, we are using test mode. Please, if you are okay with your registration, once you are done with designing the website, make sure you change this test mode to a live mode so that people will be able to pay live, so that it will no longer be a test mode again. But I'm going to click on success and I'm going to click on pay. So automatically, immediately I pay, now payment is just going to, can you see, please wait, and it's going to redirect me. Can you see that it has redirected me to where I can log in. So I can actually come here and come and log in or probably register. Now, I think about something. I think if it's redirecting people to this login, people may be making some mistake. I think the best place you should redirect them to is this register. So people will be able to register and then they will now log in, because once you register, you'll be able to log in. So I'm going to copy this URL, Ctrl C, and I'm going to go back to my backend to go and put it in the payment redirection. Go to here. So I'm going to go to my payments form and click on all form. I'm going to click on this particular payment. This is what I want to do. And when I click on it, I'm going to scroll down to redirection. And this is the redirection. I'm going to change it to register. I've changed it to register. I'm going to scroll up and click on update. Now let's go to our incognito. This is my incognito and this is my home page. Now let us I click on portfolio. Notice that the 3 one-way lock is going to take me to there, and let me make another payment again. This is a free one, so I can make as many as payment I want. Let me just start deleting. Phone number, register. Going to take me to where I can make a payment. So as this payment pop up, I'm going to click on success. I'm going to click on pay now. So when I make a payment now, it's going to redirect me now to where I can register. Now in this place now, I can now come here and say, okay, I want to register. Let me just say, okay, I'm Ade. No, let me Omo Jesu. My username. My first name is Michael. Last name is Michael Jesus. Email. Let me use the leading.tv.com. password, let me just use Jesus1. Let me go register. What happened to my email? Okay, let me use another password. Jesus001. Jesus001. Register. So can you see now? It take me to, okay, this is where I can now see my dashboard, but I don't need it. I'll just, now I can see everywhere. Now I can see everything. Now can you see? I can see everything. I can see everything. Now let as me I now log out. Let as me I log out. All I need to do is just to click on login again. Just to click on login. And I'll just come here and enter my login. Omo Jesu. Omo Jesu. Jesus001. Keep me sign. Login. Guys, can you see? So I'm logging now. So that is how I can see everything. Now I believe now you understand how you can log a particular website. And I don't forget, I told you, if you want to, if it is a blog section you want to log, all you need to do is just to go to your blog, click on edit, do the same thing I do. And at the same time, if it is a page, you can do it. If it is a particular category in blog, do the same thing. Just go to the categories, click on the category, click on restrict, and that is all to go. That is how to go about it. And in case you are having any issue, or you are having a particular issue, so you can actually contact me on 09035382271. I can actually walk you through personally in case you are stuck in any area. But I believe if you follow this video step by step, you will be able to know how you can restrict your website content. So this video is to help you to actually develop your web design character, your web design skill, because many people don't know all these things, and that is why I'm actually taking my time to walk you through in all these things so that you can know how to go about it, so that when other web designers are talking about some things, you don't just react as anyhow, you don't just keep silent. You also can say something that I know how to do this thing. Imagine I know how to do all these things, I will be able to get the job I lost, but because I don't know how to do it then, and I could not, confront or assure the client. Because one thing about me, when I'm approaching my client, I don't lie to them. I made them to understand this area I'm good. This is what I can do for you. If you like it, they will say, okay, no one, I'll do this thing for me then. And I know how I talk to my client in such a way that they actually fall in love with what I want to do for them. So, but there's some clients that they will stick to what they want. So please, that is why as a web designer, you need to develop yourself. You need to, increase your knowledge. So guys, I believe now you can lock your content, any web content. You can restrict them. You can, some people make a registered or make some particular payment. And if you want to see others who have registered on your website, you can just come to this place. Can you see? Just come to your user folder. Come to your user and click on all users. And you will be able to see all those who have registered, and you can delete if you don't want them to be on your site. So that's just it. And let me show you, I think there's a way you can also make your people. Click on setting. I want to show you something. I think there's a way you can actually set it up in such a way that people can become a member by through email configuration, but you need to approve it before they. Okay, this if you want to, if you after creating the account, if you want to send a review, you want to review the account through email or account deletion notification, account approve, you want to send an email to them, click on this setting and it take to where you can set it up, and you just click on email. Account approve email. That okay, that is a situation by you want when people recreate an account, you want to be the one to register it, to approve it by yourself. So you come here and say account approve email, click on it, and this is how the notification will look like. So just click on save changes. and I think you need to come to user role. No, sorry, I'm coming. Dashboard. Now, guys, I think if you want to, though I don't need to teach you, but I just want to show you for the sake of probably you want to be the one to approve people before their account can be active. So you can come to your backend and make this person change it to an approved membership, and click on apply. So let me try to create another account again. Let me log out and try to create another account. Let me just click on register and let me try to just create another account. What else? Let's use the lady's name. Sorry, first name last name Sunday. This is son at gmail.com. I'm not sure this email is correct. I just fake it from my head. Now, let me show you I will be able to see this. Yeah, I will do that in the next video on how, or maybe I will just do another video because there's a particular setting I actually forget about it. I'm about to share with you. And the setting is just to allow you to be the one to be able to, what is it called? Approve people that okay, no, you'll be the one to approve this, you'll be the one to not to approve this. Okay, let me see here. Okay, yeah. If you want to do that, can approve, can access, can edit, can just scroll down to general permission. Okay, can view other members. No. Yeah, registration. Yeah, I got it now. All you need to do is click on your user role. So when you click on your user role, it's going to take you to all the users. So when you just click on this, the subscriber, just click on edit. So when you click on edit, scroll down to general permission, to registration option rather. So you go to the registration option. Now can you see registration status auto approve? Can you see? Instead of require email activation. Email activation is that this is to help people that to know maybe they are using a fake email. Now, if they are using a fake email, let me show you what it may, and let me just now login user after validating the activation link. Yeah, I'll tick it. So and I'll click on save changes. Let me click on update role. So I've done it now. So let's go back to this page and create another account. Let's log out. And this time around, we need to use a correct Gmail. And let's assume we create we want to click on, let's just click on register. So I'll just put Now let me just add it up. And I'll click on registered. What's going on? What's Gmail? Oh, let me just use, I should use the lead in there. Can register. Like this time. Okay, I have another account. Another account, but how are you guys going to see? I just want to use okay, let me use another account. I have another account on my phone. I've forgotten the name. Another Gmail account. It's because the email you enter is incorrect. Is it correct? I don't know what's going on. Let me pause this video. Yeah, guys, I think I know what happened. What happened is that you can't use one particular name. If you use one particular name and you want to create another account, someone has filled the name, it will be telling you incorrect. Because I've used that area for my the first time, that is why it's changed that. So I've changed the mail, but let me change my password so I can remember. And just change it to so yeah, let me register now. Let's see how it's going. Maybe it should go. Yeah, can you see now that it's go now? Now the issue now is that, see, you don't use, if someone has used one particular email and the other that person wants to create another account and sees the same email, it's going to be saying no, it's not going to go. So can you see, thank you for registering. Before you can log in, we need you to activate your account by clicking the activation link in the email we just sent to you. So let me check. I think I have this Gmail here. Let me check here. I think I have it here. If I don't have it here, it's on my phone already. So, and my phone is there with me. But let me forward it. If I see it on my phone, let me forward it to my. Sorry, let me. I didn't have that one here. It's on my phone. I will just forward it to any of it. Let me pause this video. So I've not seen it. I've checked my phone. I've not seen it. So. And I don't want this video to be long. I don't want to wait because I need to go and sleep. This is 2:15 a.m. So guys, so what we do, and they will send a mail to you, to your email that you put in, if it is a correct email. And the reason why they are doing that is so that in case people are trying to create an account with a dummy email, so they will be able to catch those people who are real and those people who are not real. That is that on that one. So another one I want to show you is let's come to the setting, which is user role. And if you want to change it to the one whereby you will be the one to come and approve it, all you need to do is just come here and click on require admin review. Can you see that? Means admin will be the one to review it. So once you click on this one, all you need to do is to come here and click on save changes. Let me click on update. But don't forget, anytime you click on this one, that means you need to come to your setting here, your form and your setting. So you can come and set it in such a way that it will automatically send an email to them once their account is being approved. So account activation email Oh, I didn't set this account activation email. That's the reason why I didn't get the one I did that time. Remember, I will be the one to activate it. They will send a mail to me that I will be the one to activate it. I didn't set it. I need to come here and click on setting. Anything I do, I will click on setting and I will just click on allow. Account activation email. This is the email that they will send to them to click. Can you see, thank you for signing up. Please click on the following link to activate your account, which I didn't do. No wonder I didn't see their mail. Sorry about that. So thank God I'm showing you guys all this thing now. So the next one is your account is pending on review. Account rejection. I'm coming. Account need review notification. Account deletion. Okay. I can just set this up. Click on it and click on save changes. Let me also click on it and just click on this and click on save changes. Now then, since we have done all those settings, then let's go back again and create another account again. I think I have one Gmail. Let me look at the Gmail I have that I've not used. Which one? Deleting trading one. I think I've used one. So let me delete one account here so that once I delete one account, I can use that account to create another one. Let me come to users. I don't want this video to be long. Users, all users. Okay, this one, 21. Let me delete this. Delete. Confirm delete. Yeah, so I think I can use that email like that. Yeah, let me go and create another account now. So let me click on register. I'll just click on name. Let me just say okay. What again? Mary appear. Mary appear. I don't know. So let me just use Mary. Okay, let me just change this Mary Love. Last name Mary Ola. Let me just use any name. Olajoko. And let me now use this email like this. One. Password Mary 001 Mary 0011. Register. Now thank you for applying for membership to our site. We will review your details and send you an email letting you to know whether your application has been successful or not. Okay, so let's go back and go back here. Can you see all users? Click on it. You will see pending review. Can you see it? Pending review. Click on it. Okay, Mary Love. Okay, from where? Okay, it's good. If you want to approve it, click on edit and scroll down. Oh, sorry, no, go back. Pending review. Sorry, can you pending review? Sorry, if you want to do, just come here and click on view. Click on this info. Can you see info? Click on it, and you'll be able to see everything. So once you are able to see everything and you are okay with it, you can just close it and click on this. Oh, sorry. No. Approve membership. Yeah, you come to this UMI action and you click on approve membership. Just click on it. So once you click on it, click on apply. Now you will see that under this pending review that we have here, nothing is there again. That means it has been approved. So let me check my mail. At least I should be able to get email now. Oh God, sign in. I've forgotten my password. So let me check if I can see it on my phone. I don't even know my password. I don't know the password. I don't know. Okay, let me try this. I've forgotten the password. So I don't know the password again. So, and I don't have it on my phone. So that is just it though. But they will send an email to the particular account. So I think that's just basically all you need to know about this now. And that is just how to go about it. And the payment, you can see the receipt and stuff like that. So now, guys, that is just everything I need to teach you on how to go about, how to restrict some content, and how to do everything. Thank you very, very much. But if you notice something here, let me show you something. If you notice something here, that when people come to this site, when they click on home page, you are seeing this registered here. So that means people can register without even making the payment. So what do you need to do? Just remove this register from the menu. Now you may be asking me, how will people be able to register if I remove the register from the menu? Yeah, this is it. When people click on that place and they click on, it's going to take them to where they can make a payment. Once they make a payment, it's going to redirect them to where they can log in. In that login place, there's a place called register. So from there, people can register. So that is just basically how to go about it. Delete menu. Yeah. Sorry. Cancel. Don't let me delete yet. Sorry. Click on remove, not delete. Remove. So once you remove it, click on save menu. Now once you remove it now and you come to this place now and you refresh, so this register will be out of it now. Login. That means people will need to log in and they will need to register before they can do their login stuff. So guys, that's just basically how to go about it now. I believe you really enjoyed this training. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section, and if you have anything you don't really understand, you can drop in the comment section. I will be glad to answer you. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Yeah, that remind me. I want to tell you something, that Jesus really loves you. He really cares much about your life. Please and please, I want you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best in life. It is only in Christ that we have unlimited success. It is only by the time you come to Christ that is when you can have the ability to have outstanding results in life. Please don't just learn. Don't just learn web design alone. Learning web design alone will not take you far in life. But learning web design and putting your faith in Christ will make you to achieve greater and outstanding results. So please, I'm begging you and persuading you for you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. And I pray the Lord God Almighty will be with you and will give you divine understanding and divine wisdom to excel in this place as a web designer. The ability to excel, the Lord will grant it unto you. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a wonderful day.